What is up, YouTube? This is Red Dragon, international, worldwide, and coming at you today, having some fun. I was just taking apart my camper today and wanted to show you what a half twin bed would look like in the CRV. This is the 18-inch Zinus bed. And I take that back on my last video. A spare tire, a full-size spare tire, will not fit under there. There's a big round car reservoir down there, car spare tire reservoir down there, but the full-sized spare will not fit. So my bad, I'm gonna have to mount it up top. There's a lot of area down there for storage and space. I took a big plastic thing from out from underneath there. There it is. I just didn't want it, so I took that out of the back. There's a lot of space back there, down there by the gas tank on the inside of the rear cab. So this is what an 18-inch Zinus bed looks like if you're only trying to sleep one. You got plenty of room to drive. You got plenty of room on the side. You got plenty of room down below. And this is the 18-inch bed. And I mentioned, I think on my first video, that I went 18 inches high so it could fit in this car, but I kind of pointed to this side. But the deal is, I went 18 inches high because of this side, right? And this side has the gas tank spout, and that goes in there. And one day I might end up taking that plastic out, but for now, this bed needed to be 18 inches high to go ahead and clear this side of the fender well. Looks like I got plenty of space up in here. I did use the Reflectix because it was, gosh, like 50 feet for 80 bucks. So I did the entire car, the doors and windows, and both of the Zinus 18-inch full bed sides. And then I did my garage after that. So for 80 bucks, it seemed like the best way to go ahead and insulate this car for a camping setup. And this is what it looks like. Just one side of the bed set up here. You got plenty of room if you were to be single camping, single car camping. This is Red Dragon. Subscribe if you like to make things and make things better.